Would you believe there's a tiny green powder that's been called the most nutrient-dense food on the planet? It's not just for health fanatics, it's for anyone who wants more energy, a stronger immune system, and even glowing skin. Meet spirulina, the superfood that's taking over kitchens and health stores everywhere. Stay with us as we uncover why everyone is raving about spirulina. Plus, we'll answer your most burning questions at the end about this incredible food, so don't miss it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to our channel. All right, let's get started. What is spirulina? Spirulina is a blue-green algae that grows in both fresh and salt water. It's been used for centuries by ancient cultures for its superfood properties. Today, it's a health trend for a good reason. It's loaded with protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. Spirulina is so rich in nutrients, NASA once considered it as a food for astronauts on space missions. Ready to discover the power of spirulina? Number 1. Spirulina is packed with protein. Spirulina is about 60 to 70% protein by weight, making it one of the richest plant-based protein sources available. For vegetarians or vegans, it's a game changer. It's a complete protein, meaning it has all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina gives you a protein boost without the saturated fat found in meat. Add spirulina to your morning smoothie for an instant protein kick. Number 2. Spirulina boosts energy levels. Ever feel like you're dragging by midday? Spirulina is rich in B vitamins, which help your body turn food into energy. It's also packed with iron, a key mineral that fights fatigue and helps transport oxygen to your muscles and brain. Many people report feeling more energized and focused after including spirulina in their diets. Number 3. Spirulina supports a healthy immune system. Spirulina is a powerhouse for your immune system. It contains phycocyanin, an antioxidant that helps your body fight inflammation and free radicals. Studies show spirulina can boost white blood cell production, helping you fend off colds and infections. Did you know? Just 2 grams of spirulina daily can strengthen your immunity over time. Number 4. Spirulina detoxifies the body. Spirulina binds to heavy metals like arsenic and lead in your body, flushing them out safely. It's like a detox plan without the complicated juices. Spirulina is especially beneficial for people exposed to pollution or those with high levels of environmental toxins. Number 5. Spirulina improves skin health. Struggling with acne, redness, or dullness? Spirulina can help. Its antioxidants fight free radicals, reducing signs of aging and inflammation. You can eat it for internal benefits or apply it directly as a mask to hydrate and revitalize your skin. Number 6. Spirulina aids in weight management. Trying to lose weight or maintain your current weight? Spirulina can be your ally. It's low-calorie but nutrient-dense, keeping you full and reducing unnecessary snacking. The high protein content also helps regulate appetite by stabilizing blood sugar levels. Have spirulina water 30 minutes before meals to curb overeating. Number 7. Spirulina and heart health. Spirulina supports heart health by reducing bad cholesterol, LDL, and increasing good cholesterol, HDL. It's also known to lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Incorporating spirulina into your diet is a simple way to keep your heart strong. Number 8. Spirulina for brain power. Want sharper focus and better memory? Spirulina is rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and amino acids that support brain function. Studies suggest it can even reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Did you know? Spirulina's high iron content helps improve oxygen flow to the brain, boosting clarity and productivity. Number 9. Spirulina for athletes and recovery. Spirulina is perfect for athletes. Its protein supports muscle recovery, while its antioxidants fight exercise-induced inflammation. It's also a natural source of energy without any added sugars or caffeine. Mix spirulina into your post-workout drink for faster recovery. Answering your top questions about spirulina. Is spirulina safe for everyone? Yes, but if you're pregnant, nursing, or have a condition like phenylketonuria, Consult your doctor first. How much spirulina should I take daily? Start with 1 teaspoon or 2 to 3 grams and gradually increase to 5 to 10 grams if desired. What does spirulina taste like? It has an earthy, slightly seaweed-like flavor. Mix it with sweet fruits and smoothies to mask the taste. Can spirulina replace my multivitamin? While it's nutrient-dense, it's not a complete multivitamin. Use it as a supplement to enhance your diet. Does spirulina have side effects? Most people tolerate it well, but some may experience mild digestion issues if they take too much too quickly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one, so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.